Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Alan Kenji Alvir. I'm at Mega Mall right now. I'm at Macdo. I'm gonna eat here. So I got the new Tomica here. This is the Isuzu Giga base functional formable truck I had. So I'm gonna open it. Let me just take a second. I'm gonna put down the camera for a while. So there it is, guys, my new Tomica. This is what it looks like. So ito po yun, long Tomica to. Medyo malaki na konti. Gustuhan ko to. May open to na door. Ganyan mag-open. So, ano to? Hindi ko alam kung ambulance to kasi ano sinasabi ng daddy ko eh. Mukhang fire truck to eh, talaga. Yeah, so ito yung Isuzu Giga base function and formable truck, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and thumbs up kung nagustuhan nyo and comment below.